Alrighty then. Oh, had it for a second there. Trying to get it out of the... This wall is done. I am super, super happy. There we go. Everything's done. The lace curtains aren't back up because I had to repaint a little bit on the inside panel. Honey did a little more caulking there. The other thing is he spray painted our Crosley refrigerator. I was kind of against it in the beginning, but boy, does that look great. I put the little things back up on the shelves. That window's done. And 3 out of 4 doors are done. And look at that light. But the door looks 100% better. The light is there because Honey bought this spectacular light bulb. Bing! It's a spiral, big thick spiral of LED lights. Well, he put it in the kitchen light that hangs over our little island, and it was so bright, and it was hanging not eye level, but pretty low enough so you were blinded by it. So we had that light fixture. Anyway, that's where he's hung it, and it's great. So we need to get rid of, he hasn't got rid of the ugly one yet. We need to get rid of the ugly one. So there is that. Windows done. I'll put up the lace curtains a little later. Oh, dang light. Now I got more. Things on the shelves, curtains back up. Come on, there we go. Wow. It really makes me happy. It makes me smile. It is just looking so good. I am done. I'm done painting for a while. That's it. I hung up my paintbrushes. So, pretty happy with the way everything looks right now. Pretty spectacular. Yay! I just put the table over there, but he probably didn't do it because the last thing he's got to do, he bought these little things, and I just finished painting them. And he's going to mount them under here, just as little corner pieces, just to use up that space there. So there will be, there will be one on each side. He says he's going to glue them in there. So that's probably why he didn't put the table back. But, man, I'm going to pull that rug back in place. Woohoo! Happy, happy.